Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I needed to do her hair a little bit before the camera started, but let me tell you how blessed I am. Tina's Reborns and More and I, every year at St. Patrick's Day, we do a red-headed Blythe. We do a custom and we have a theme. Last year, what was last year?
Fighting Irish?
Fighting Irish, I think. And this year is Irish dancers. So I did this little face-up, which my dexterity is not what it used to be in my hands, I'll tell you for a fact. And I just love these Blythe dolls. Usually I use a brighter redhead doll color, the hair color. But I had this girl upstairs and she wasn't busy. So, and I love this melon colored hair. So I put these beads on her, and Darren made a lot of these. Darren made the little pull rings, and it says Irish Dancer with the gold. I made her little dress. Darren printed her little shoes. Those are 3D printed. I love those. They snap on from the little toe over, and they just stay. And he also made this adorable stand. I really like it. Darren also does the 3D printed neck joints, which I love. Look at it, isn't that cute? Their little eyes looking off and then her head cocked. Oh, I love that. I can't wait to see what Tina did. I got a, her hair really needs a good brushing. I don't usually brush it. I always comb, and I don't usually start up so high to do it. I can't wait to see Tina's. I did get a sneak peek, but I don't think she was finished when I saw it. She said she was still working on something. Love, love, love these dolls. Oh, I was going to show you her eyes. Let me show you her eye chips. I like the green. I did her, boy, I wish the lighting was better. It's another cloudy day here. Let me get a light. I hope you can see this. There is a lot of sparkle and shine and glitter to her eyelids, but it's so dark out, I don't know that you can see it. She has green coming forward, which I absolutely love these green eyes. She has the rainbow, because what's at the end of a rainbow for an Irish girl? Pot of gold. And I left the regular blues in, but I think for display, I like that sideways glance. And then I gave her kind of a dancer's hand and on both sides. I don't know, that's kind of a weird one, but I thought, you know, dancers with
Jazz hands.
something, I don't know what. So this is my little Irish dancer. Please go by Tina's to see hers today. I can't wait. I love these. I love these collabs. We have a lot of fun. I started to say Tina and I do a red-headed Blythe doll in the at St. Patrick's Day and Christmas. We do a green-haired Blythe doll, and we're already working on our Christmas dolls. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Well, no wonder the seasons go by so fast here.
Yeah, a lot to do.